Ukrainian officials are accusing Russia of using weapons that can cause mass casualties. Fierce street battles rage on between the two forces for control of the industrial city of Severodonetsk in eastern Ukraine. The governor of the Luhansk region, where Severodonetsk is, has denied claims that Ukraine has lost control of the Azot chemical plant and said that they still control the industrial zone. Meanwhile, the European Commission president is in Kyiv to discuss Ukraine's EU bid. Associated Press's David Biller has more from Lviv.
Ukrainian officials and the British Defense Ministry on Saturday warned that Russia had begun using large, antiquated anti-ship missiles. Now, these are from the 1960s, and they are highly inaccurate when deployed in ground combat. That means they are more likely to cause collateral damage and also mass civilian casualties. Also, the governor of Luhansk province said that Russia had begun using flamethrowers overnight, using them against both civilian facilities and homes. And on Saturday, a representative for a separatist group said that the Russian forces had taken control of the Azot chemical plant. This is something that the governor of Luhansk denied. He called it a lie. He said Ukrainian forces retained control of both the plant and the industrial zone of the city. Now, fighting in this city of Severodonetsk is raging across the streets. The governor of Luhansk called it a fight for every street and every home. Also in southern Ukraine on Saturday, Russian authorities began distributing passports to Ukrainians. That's according to two Russian state news agencies. They say authorities were giving out passports in Melitopol in the Zaporizhia region and also in the neighboring Kherson region. The European Commission's president was in Kyiv today. She met with President Zelensky and she had some comments about the EU's evaluation of Ukraine's request to join the bloc.
The discussions today will enable us to finalize our assessment by the end of next week.
Zelensky, for his part, called on the EU to impose stricter sanctions. He called on the EU to impose sanctions on all Russian officials and judges who have been aiding the cause of the war and also all of its banks. David Biller, Associated Press, in Lviv, Ukraine.
The Russian Defense Ministry claims its forces have destroyed a foreign mercenaries base in the Kyiv region, and it says Russia used high-precision missiles to destroy the base. Other targets included 9 areas where Ukrainian troops and military equipment were deployed, and 5 firing positions of units equipped with multiple rocket launchers. Russia also claims its air defenses downed 3 Ukrainian fighter jets in Kyiv.